Hi friends, good morning. Welcome back. Friends, again it's I think fifth day of Pongal celebration. So let's start with the giveaway first. Here is yesterday's video and friends, thank you so much. You've been very cooperative. 347 likes and 325 comments వచ్చాయి మనకి. So let's pick it up the giveaway winner for today. And really I'm so happy because everybody, most of them are participating in giveaway. People whoever is not even participating, please, if in case you're willing, do join your hands and participate in giveaway and you might be the lucky winner, who knows. So she is a person, Satya Narayana. Madam, 126th like and pettarandi. Beautiful collection with reasonable price. The quality of the product is awesome, ma'am. So ma'am, please do ping us on WhatsApp. Satya Narayana andi account name. 126th like and pettar, ma'am. So please do ping us with your address and do mention us that you are the giveaway winner for today. Peru chuskondi ma'am, Satya Narayana. So she is a giveaway winner andi. Ma'am, please do ping us in WhatsApp, ma'am. Okay, so let's for tomorrow's giveaway. Tomorrow's giveaway is a beautiful crystal chain andi. This is a beautiful crystal chain for tomorrow's giveaway. So again the same process, friends. Giveaway if somebody who is very new and they wanted to participate in giveaway. Again the same process. Please do like and comment. Enno like kuda please do mention it. And we will, as normal, today's this item will be gifted tomorrow, and this item video, whatever the video I'm showing right now, in that you have to like and comment. Okay, and friends, as usual, if in case you're liking our products, please do support us by sharing our channel to your friends and family members, and again placing a thumbs up, which is again a like, so that you're encouraging us to get more and more beautiful products. So that is all for today's giveaway. So let's start with the new collection again. We have some beautiful new collection only, so which is again in matte finish, and also I'll show you some beautiful earrings in Kempus. Yeah, first this Nakshi model jhumka, which is again heavy one. This is a beautiful Nakshi jhumka andi. This is the first product which I'm showing you today. I'll put the price tag as well. And this item is a bit costly. It's actually for 999 plus shipping is 50 rupees, friends. So let's talk about the shipping charges again. Shipping normally is 50 rupees only. You're going to buy a bill of 1500 in any of our videos. Even please, and one more time I'm informing friends, please do check out the last 1 month videos. 1 month, from 1 month, every item we're giving on discount. So please make sure that you can avail the discounts even for the last 1 month videos. Okay, అంటే నేను క్లియర్గా మెన్షన్ చేస్తున్నానండి. ఈ డిస్కౌంట్ ఏదైతే మేము 2 days ఇస్తామో, సో పాస్ట్ 1 month వీడియోస్ ఇప్పుడు జంబో మెగా సేల్ నడుస్తుంది. పాస్ట్ 1 month వీడియోస్లో కూడా మీరు ఈ డిస్కౌంట్ అనేది 2 days కాదు అవైల్ చేసుకోవచ్చు ఇప్పుడు. బికాజ్ ఎందుకంటే పొంగల్ సేల్ నడుస్తుంది కాబట్టి 1 month వీడియోస్లో ఎవ్రీ ఐటమ్ మీద డిస్కౌంట్ అనేది అవైలబుల్ ఉంది. సో ప్లీజ్ మీకు ఏదైనా కావాలంటే డూ చెక్అవుట్ ఆ ప్రీవియస్ కలెక్షన్ ఆల్సో. 1 month వీడియో ఏది అంటే కనుక మా డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో మెన్షన్ చేస్తున్నాం. వీఆర్ మెన్షనింగ్ ద సేమ్ లింక్ ఆఫ్ ద పాస్ట్ 1 month వీడియో ఇన్ a video description, every video description which we are posting in the morning. So please do check out the description. You will be able to get the last 1 month video link. అక్కడ నుంచి మీరు ప్రతి వీడియో చెక్అవుట్ చేయొచ్చు. కావాలంటే ఏ వీడియోలో స్టాక్ ఉందంటే కంపల్సరీ వీఆర్ గివింగ్ ఆన్ డిస్కౌంట్ ఓన్లీ. ఓకే ఫ్రెండ్స్, సో హియర్ ఇస్ అ బ్యూటిఫుల్ బిగ్ సైజ్ జుమ్కా విత్ ఆల్ నక్షి ఫినిషింగ్ అండ్ నైస్ పికాక్ డిజైన్. This is not reddish matte andi, and few people they are actually asking me the direct pics of the items. I'm showing you the item directly andi. This is a live item and there is nothing much which we are animating, or if not అంటే కలర్ షేడ్ అలాగేమీ లేదండి, ఆప్షన్ లేదు. డైరెక్ట్గా నేను మీకు ఐటమ్ చూపించేస్తున్నాను. సో సేమ్ ఫినిషింగ్ వస్తుంది మీకు ఏదైతే నేను చూపిస్తున్నానో ఇప్పుడు. యూ గెట్ ద సేమ్ ఫినిషింగ్. బ్రైట్నెస్ అనేది కొంచెం వేరియేషన్ ఉంటుందేమో కానీ నార్మల్గా డైరెక్ట్గా చూసినప్పుడు అండ్ వీడియోలో చూసినప్పుడు, బట్ ఫినిషింగ్ అంతా విల్ బి ద సేమ్. యూ విల్ నాట్ గెట్ ఎనీ డిఫరెన్స్ ఇన్ ద ఫినిషింగ్. So here is a beautiful one. This is a big size nakshi andi, nakshi jhumka. This will be the size of the jhumka with nicely carved, and at the bottom meeku kempu vachestundi. This is all kempu. So this is of 999 plus shipping is 50 andi. And again I have another beautiful, in this I have very limited pieces. So guys, if in case somebody wants to book it, please to book as soon as possible. And this is one beautiful Radha Krishna ear top andi, again premium quality matte, and this is the backer part of it. This is of costing you 699 after discount. And these earrings are of a bit nearly decent size. It's not that small and that big also. It's not heavy also, but this is of a reasonable decent size. Idi andi mix size vachedi. Nice premium quality and well carved piece. And Gutta Pusalu earrings, I have 1 or 2 pieces andi. I'll show you them also in the same video. So here is the one, 550 rupees andi. I have this, I think only one color available andi in stock. Only one piece is available in stock. So please people, I have a real high demand for this item andi. Evarkana kavalante do book it as soon as possible, please. And next is I'm showing you some nice jumbo jhumkas for festival. So this is a beautiful jumbo jhumka which is of gold plated, exactly like gold replica, with all beautiful scissored and ankets. This is all ankets and this is all scissored andi. I think you can see the size of the jhumka very clearly in the video. It's nice peacock carved design, and this is a backer part of the jhumka with pushback. So this is the item, and this item we're giving on sale because we just got I think one piece or 1 or 2 pieces in stock, so I'm giving on sale. This was actually 1080 rupees andi. We're giving on sale only for 970 rupees. 970 plus shipping is only 50 rupees. Nicely big size and premium quality ankets with all completely scissored filling, rubies and emeralds. It's all mixed collection. Beautiful one. Only 2 pieces or 1 or 2 pieces are available in this model. Next, this peacock jhumkas, I could actually restock only 1-2 colors, I believe. I'll show you the colors if in case I have any. I think in this I have white and pink andi. That's all I could restock in this. Yes, I could only restock only 2 colors only. I don't have anything else in stock. High demanded jhumkas andi, and we have restocked this item for 2 times, and again still I have more inquiries on this item. So now I could only restock 2 colors. One is champagne color, the other one is pink. That too very limited pieces. Giving more than 10% discount, friends, only for 750 rupees. It's a big size jhumka. డిజైనరీ పీస్ ఇది. నైస్లీ వెల్ కార్వ్డ్ ప్రీమియం క్వాలిటీ మ్యాట్ అండి. యూ కెన్ సీ దిస్ షాంపైన్ కలర్ స్టోన్ వచ్చేసింది ఇక్కడ మీకు. దిస్ ఇస్ అ బ్యూటిఫుల్ పీకాక్ పుష్ బ్యాక్ ఇయర్ రింగ్ అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్ ద లెంగ్త్ ఆఫ్ ద జుమ్కా. నైస్ వన్ అండి. ఐ హ్యావ్ టూ మెనీ ఎంక్వైరీస్ ఆన్ దిస్ జుమ్కాస్. And this is pink. Pink, I think I just got single piece. Champagne color, I have 3 pieces. Only 4 I could restock. And next I'll show you some nice neck pieces. సో నెక్ పీసెస్లో ప్రీమియం క్వాలిటీ మ్యాట్లు లాంగ్ ఎంక్వైరీస్ చేస్తున్నారు. సో రాదర్ యూ కెన్ లుక్ ఎట్ దిస్ ఇఫ్ ఇన్ కేస్ సంబడి లైక్స్ ఇట్. టూ లాంగ్ అండి ఇది. అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్ అ మ్యాక్సిమం లెంగ్త్ ఆఫ్ ఎనీ లాంగ్ హారం. ఇట్స్ అ న్యూ వన్. హియర్ ఇస్ అ లెంగ్తీ పీస్. And this is of costing So even on this we're giving 200 rupees discount andi as a sale, because we are giving good sale for Pongal. So people whoever wants it, please to utilize it. 2290 free shipping ki maatrame vachestundi. It's a heavy long piece, completely. You can see this full item is of unkats. Premium quality matte and full item is of unkats. Heavy piece. This is a back part. This is a length, too long andi. This is completely lengthy and this will be the beautiful ear top for it. 2299 free shipping. So this is all premium quality matte andi. I'll show you one more time. You can look at the stone quality also. Stone quality kuda chuskochu. Complete ga heavy piece. And next I have another small beautiful set. So this is of a goddess idol lekunda you want a small kasu piece, you can go for this. Ide completely meeku peacock work vachesindi and with beautiful jhumka with this. Peacock jhumka andi. Nice premium quality item. It's only for 1270 rupees. Only for 1270 andi. 1270 and shipping is only 50 rupees. This is also premium quality matte. So because these small models, Kasu models are really going well now. అంటే స్టాక్ మేము కొత్త కొత్త మోడల్స్ తెస్తున్నా కూడా ఫాస్ట్గా సోల్డ్ అవుట్ అయిపోతున్నాయి కాసు మోడల్స్ అనేది. Somebody who inquires for goddess model లేకుండా కావాలి అనుకుంటే you can go for these peacock sets. ఇక్కడ కూడా మీకు బ్యూటిఫుల్గా విత్ నైస్ క్వాలిటీ కెంపు రూబీస్ అండి. ఇదంతా గుడ్ క్వాలిటీ రూబీస్. అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్ ద బ్యాక్ పార్ట్. With nice jhumka. This jhumka, if in case you buy separately also, you will have to spend 650 rupees andi. Now you're getting the entire set only in 1270 rupees. So this is the one, 1270 plus shipping is 50. And this is another beautiful set andi, only for 1450. This is Ram Parvar, actually premium quality Ram Parvar vastundi. Neck piece idi, not long kaadu idi, neck piece Ram Parvar lo premium quality. So let's make it up only for 1420 plus shipping. So 1420 plus shipping is only 50 rupees, and this is the quality of the item, premium quality matte. And Ram Parivar, the great part is this is all minute unkats. Just because of the work, price will vary andi. Idi normal ga meeku normal ga vachestunte without stone work less price lo vachedi, but this is actually of completely with unkats and all, so obviously it is pricing a bit high. Rubies and unkats, emerald, and back apart. And ear top also will be like this. Heavy ga oddu, if in case somebody wants to go for a small decent one, you can go for it. And one more beautiful Kasu set in the same ranges with Lakshmi idol. So this is again a beautiful Kasu set in the same price range andi, with Lakshmi motifs, and here is the highlight of the item is beautiful jhumka. This is a beautiful jhumka for this piece. You can see it's completely carved with peacock all over the jhumka. Back side kuda meeku jhumka lo peacock model వచ్చేసింది, and ఇక్కడ స్టోన్స్ వచ్చేసాయి, అంకట్స్, ఎమరాల్డ్ అండ్ రూబీస్. ప్రీమియం క్వాలిటీ అండి ఇది కూడా, బ్యూటిఫుల్లీ కార్వ్డ్ పీస్. సైడ్ మాప్స్ వచ్చినట్టు వచ్చి ఇక్కడ మీకు బిగ్ సైజ్ పికాక్ వచ్చేసింది, అండ్ యూ కెన్ సీ దిస్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ వన్. దిస్ ఇస్ అ బ్యాక్ పార్ట్. ప్రీమియం క్వాలిటీ మ్యాట్ అండి ఇది కూడా. 1420 ప్లస్ షిప్పింగ్ ఇస్ 50. Nice beautiful one. And next one more beautiful matte neck piece. ఇది కూడా less quality లో ఉంది, high quality లో ఉంది, and now what I'm showing is a premium quality matte with nice beautiful jhumka, big size jhumka in the same price range of 1420 rupees. This is a beautiful neck piece again. So these all neck pieces, this can be worn to the babies also. Nice flower design, and this is a back part. And here is a jhumka for it. Back part kuda meeku jhumka lo stone vachestundi. Premium quality matte andi, 1420 again, plus shipping is 50. And next, a beautiful traditional choker with all rubies andi. Traditional choker idantha kinda meeku alignment kavalana kuda make chesistamu. And here is a beautiful jhumka for it. Back part kuda you have the stone. And the greater part of this item is meeku full of this complete set is with rubies and upper part ikkada meeku complete ga white pearl alignment undi, and these pearls are really quality pearls, glass beads. Price tag pedtanu. And here again you're getting it only for 1980 rupees. This is 1980. It's 1980, free shipping, premium quality. This is actually costly because of this completely ruby alignment all over the item. And here is a jhumka. And I have one more long matte haram. I'll show you this also. Even this is also long matte haram. And even this is also full of ankets and designery piece andi. Heavy demand in the market. This item is a premium quality matte, full of designery piece with completely with ankets. $2640 free shipping. This is a beautiful yet offer it. $2640 free shipping. Completely long haram. Mid length kadandi, long vastundi, full length. And $13.99 piece got restocked, friends. Somebody wants it, you can book it right now also. I just got 2 pieces in stock. 1390 rupees got restocked. Every time I get these items, it will go very fast. So beautiful one this is again. And this gives really elegant look for the babies also. Babies kuda chala pretty ga untadi idi. I'll put the price tag $13.99 andi. So $13.99, nothing much. You can see the piece. I wanted to show you one more time. So completely leafy design, rose buds వచ్చేసినాయి, and At that rosebuds also completely with CZ and ruby filling. Nice one. And here is a beautiful ear top for a designer ear top. 13.99 plus shipping is only 50. Nice one. Premium quality matte. And next, somebody who is inquiring for Kempu sets, please do check out this. It's a new model Kempu. This is actually dual use. You can use it as a harem and also hip belt. This is a multi-use item andi. Kempu set with beautiful jhumka, lengthy one completely. Please do check out, guys. This is a beautiful Kempu set with, can be used as a hip belt also. So 2299 free shipping will be the price of the set. 2299 andi. So this is completely with mango design. Premium quality matte again. Nice beautiful neck piece. 2-in-1 multi-use. Long neck piece. This is a beautiful jhumka, and this is even the back part of the jhumka will be like this with the stone. 2299 free shipping. Next 1090 rupees, I'm sorry, 1050 rupees pearl choker. I have 2 pieces right now in stock. If somebody wants it, please to book them. 1050 rupees pearl choker andi. With all rechangeable stuff. Anni meeku rechangeable vastayi. I think 3 colors vastunayi deeniki rechangeable ga. Pendant is also rechangeable. Even this is also rechangeable. ఇది completely making లో ఉందండి. We will remake it again, but this is a model picture what I'm showing you right now, and this is all earrings and rechangeable stuff. I'm sorry, I'll put the price tag. 1050 rupees. And next is the previous one what you have seen is in long and it is short meeku neck piece laga use chesukochu. Idi mango neck piece. Idi only for 13 or 14. I'm sorry, one second. It's only for $12.99 plus shipping. $12.99 plus shipping andi, on sale. So $12.99 plus shipping. And next I have another beautiful designery piece, and the highlight of this item is the complete pendant. Please to look at the pendant. It's full of design and Nakshi model vachesindi pendant anta, and this is all with completely unkats and all over chain. You having this Lakshmi idol. Premium quality Nakshi finishing vachindi. Slight Nakshi finishing. It's not completely Nakshi design kadandi. You get slight Nakshi finishing and premium quality matte. This is a beautiful butta, big size butta, such a pretty piece, and this is a bit costly. $17.99 andi. I'm sorry, it's a normal price again. $17.99 idi actual ga on sale. ₹1940 we're giving only for $17.99. Short in the sense this is of mid length వస్తుందండి, అంటే మీరు అడ్జస్టబుల్ థ్రెడ్ ని బట్టి. సో దిస్ విల్ బి ద లెంగ్త్ యాక్చువల్లీ. షార్ట్ అంటే కంప్లీట్గా యూ షేప్లో వస్తుంది. దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ షార్ట్ నెక్ పీసెస్, అండ్ దీస్ ఆర్ ఆల్ మిడ్ లెంగ్త్. And next, German silver based, what people are inquiring, I got one piece in stock. I'll show you. Beads chain lo German silver lo only this is available right now in stock. I don't have anything else, only this is one last piece which is available right now. So giving on it's only for $17.50 free shipping andi. Only single piece available. If somebody wants it to be made in a different color, yes, on order basis we can give it a try, but then I cannot guarantee about it. As of now, only single piece is available, and this is the last piece which is available. This is in premium quality German silver andi. It's full of unkats, 80 stones, and here you can see the nice matching balls, silver balls, maroon in color, and this is a beautiful ear top. $17.50 free shipping. Guys, I'm going to close the video by today now. Rather hopefully, if in case we have some nice designs to be posted, I'll catch up by evening. And guys, do please share, subscribe, and keep sharing to your friends and family members. Do support us in all the ways. Thank you so much. Bye bye.